Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss about Java architecture. So before the Java architecture, let us first recall what is a Java. So Java is a programming language and a platform, and it is a very high level, robust and object oriented programming language as well as secured programming language. So we can say that Java is secured because it does not contain the concepts of pointer, and it is robust because of exceptional handling, strong memory management features that are inside the Java. And everything is in the object. Java is in the form of object and classes. So we can say that Java is object oriented that follows the concept of inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, and encapsulation. So, the Java is firstly released in 1995 with a name as Oak, but the Oak was already registered, so the James Gosling changed his name to to the Oak to Java. So that is why the Java word came into the context. So the features of Java are secured, portable, high performance, multi-threading, interpreted, architecture neutral, distributed, platform independent, and dynamic language. Okay. So, how we can say that Java is a platform independent programming language? So, we can write Java program into one operating system and can be used the compiled code to run on any other operating system. So we can say that the Java is a platform independent language, and the another is Java uses the features that can be used in the multi-threading, like to run the many processes simultaneously or the concurrently. So we can say that Java follows the multi-threading concept also. And the another feature is Java is the object oriented, as we have already considered that it contains the oops concept. And the another feature we can say that it is the uh, architecture neutral programming language because there are no implementation develop dependent features. For example, the size of primitive data type is fixed, and we can say that it is a portable language also and high performance language also. So now the next the Java virtual machine architecture. So the basically Java JVM is the core part of our the Java software. So Java virtual machine is an abstract machine, and it is the specification that provide the runtime environment. It does not physically exist, and uh, it is the logical implementation that provides only the runtime environment. So the main feature of Java virtual machine is to provide the runtime environment that's called this JRE. It is the implementation of JRE, that the task is of JVM is to load the code, verifies the code, and execute the code, and provide the runtime environment so that our compiled code can be executed and converted to the interpreted form. Okay, so the this is JRE, that is the Java runtime environment, and it contains the JVM plus set of libraries. So we can say that the JRE is the implementation of JVM, and it is a set of software tools that are used for developing the Java applications, because to run any of the Java code, JRE is the minimum software tool or the thing that we required. So the JRE contain the set of libraries, means that that the JVM uses to runtime. Set of library means Java has a own set of libraries, own set of codes that are pre-built and used to run the Java code, and it physically exists in our software. So it is a platform independent. And the another is Java development kit, that is the combination of JRE plus development tools. So the Java development kit is a software development environment in which we develop the Java application. So whatever we are installing the software is the JDK software, and we are developing the our code and our logics inside the software also. So it contains the JRE plus development tools, and and there are the various additions of this Java development kit, like standard addition, plate enterprise edition, and the edition Java platform. So JRE contain, we can conclude that the JRE contain JVM plus set of libraries, and the development tools like debugger plus compiler or the Java document. Java doc is a pre-built Java documentation of the language, that is the text written features of Java programming language about methods and classes that are inside this JRE. Okay, so by the help of this diagram, we can see that there is a Java development kit that contains the JRE, and inside the JRE there is a JVM, that is a Java virtual machine. Now, what are the phases of our program? Whenever we are going to write our program, how this will execute? So let us suppose this is a first Java program, that is public class hello and our main method. So how this run? So now with the help of this flow diagram, we will see it will be run. So this is the execution of our Java program. That is the must. That is first our Java file is converted to the compiled code, that is in the bytecode, and after the bytecode, our class moves to the class loader, where it is verified that the class loaded into the memory is valid or not, because its bytecode is checked that it does not follow any security threats, or and after that it will be goes to the interpreter, so that interpreter will read the bytecode and it convert and it execute the program. By the help of this diagram, by the help of this flow, we can understand that the conversion of Java code to the compiled code is done by the compiler, that is handled at the JDK, and the conversion of class loader, and after that bytecode verifier checking and interpreter is done by the Java runtime environment. Okay, so we can say that compilation is a part of Java development kit, and the runtime handling is a part of JVM. Okay, so this is our the first Java program. So we, by the help of this program, we can see that the Java syntax is a very easy and simple. So and it is the main method, that is the first execution is point of the our class file, that is a Java file, and it contains that one parameter, that is the string argument, and it is used as a command line argument. We will learn it later in the classes, and the another line that is written, that is system.out.println, is used to print the statement. We will learn about this also in the next further classes. So that's for all. Thank you. So in this lesson, we are able to learn about the Java, its feature of Java and evolution of Java. That is evaluated in 1995 by the Sir James Gosling, and understand the concept of Java architecture along with the JVM. JVM is a part, that is an abstract machine and logically existence of, and the physical is exists by the JRE, that is inside the Java development kit. Okay, so thank you.